You are chosen for beautiful things.
Hello, transitioning girlies, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Charmaine, and I make transitioning hair care videos while in transition, like fully in transition. Okay, so in today's video, of course, we're still keeping a routine of a braid out. So my hair is already washed and everything. I used Amika to wash my hair in Matrix Food detangling conditioner to detangle my hair, and then I went in with Fenty's hair deep conditioner, sat up in my dryer for 10 minutes, came out, and this is what we looking like. Okay. I'm still a little wet, but still kind of like drying up a little bit up in here, so I'm getting a spray bottle. But of course, with the braid out, we're gonna be using Skala. I found this at Burlington for $5.99, and I thought that was insane. So that's what I'm gonna be using for my braid out today. It smells pretty good. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like something. I can't think of it right now, but it smells good. I'm going to pair that with my Shea Moisture Divine Gel, Divine and Shine Gel, just for a little bit, just for a little extra definition. And then I have a little bottle of Cantu right here that I'm gonna try. I got this from Con, but it's a leave-in conditioning repair cream, just to, of course, apply the leave-in conditioner to my hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a side part this time because, as you know, if you continue to just do a middle part all the time, it can cause hair loss and breakage. So don't want none of that. Okay, so we are all hydrated with the leave-in conditioner. This side part, like I just did like a straight one. So it's not like curved or anything. It's in a different spot than I normally would do a side part, which is good, again, to make sure I don't have any breakage or anything. I'm gonna go on about that much. So not too much, not too much. Let's go ahead and break that on through. I love how my hair is still pretty, like it's drying up a little bit, but not too much. So it's actually just, I get to feel the full effect of it if it wasn't wet. But it actually does have some really good slip in there. The hair's already detangled, so we're gonna do a courtesy detangle just to get it. Nice. Actually pretty good. We're transitioning really well. We're transitioning really well. Of course, we see where we should be cutting, but pretty good. Not too much. And then just, not cream, but defining gel. Just to add a little bit of definition here. Something's not going together, so we're probably not going to use the gel, just so I don't get any snow time in the summertime.
Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible.
Now, one side of my head is more transition than the other side. So this side is more transition than this side. So we're gonna see how Skala responds to the less transition side. Still pretty good. Still pretty good. As you can see, it's not as curly as the other side, but you can still see on this side where if I were to cut here, like really good. So I'm gonna try a piece wet. Just a little bit. Yeah, I think that should be pretty good. Put that up and through there. This is supposed to be wet anyway. Treatment Leave-In Co-Wash Pre-Poo.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep
I guess we can find out, huh? Okay, so we're all done. I'm just gonna go ahead and sit up under my dryer and then let it dry for the rest of the day and then come back tomorrow and show you guys the results. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey girl. Okay, so it's a couple of days later. I did my braid out on Friday and it is currently Sunday. So we're now gonna take them out. They're 1,000% dry. Okay. As you know, going in with my Aussie oil here. Style fixer for the edges. I don't think I'm gonna put any bobby pins or anything. So, child, I had to work on Saturday, and I showed up to the people establishment just like this. I mean, I hit my edges and everything, but I showed up to work just like this because I wasn't taking it down. Just took a little pump of the Aussie, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and work that in. Take a little bit more, of course, and we're gonna start taking them down.
It's a process, I will get past, it's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win it. Got a question, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know.
Okay, so we're all taken down. So this is what it looks like when you go in. Now, I'm just going to start pulling it apart. Okay, so we're all taken down. These are what they're looking like. It looks so good. They're so soft and fluffy. Definition is amazing. Like, okay, Skala. Okay, Skala. I think this is cool. I mean, I'm gonna probably pull some more apart as I go. But, oh, this one's good.
Your love is intimate, knows me fully and still closely holds. Your plan
Looks good. Looks good. Oh, I give Skala like a. I'm gonna go high. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. I really like it. I want to try it as a leave-in conditioner, which it's intentionally used for. So yeah, I'm gonna use it as a leave-in conditioner instead of the dryer, and just see how my low porosity hair responds to. I love that it's lightweight. It was not heavy at all, and I love how like my hair feels lightweight as well. Like it doesn't feel weighed down. It's not like crunchy or anything, which I love. So here is the finished look. You like? Because I love. So that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you beautiful transition girls in my next video. Back it up.